Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Matt
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. The Kilo Completers are here.
It's finally time, Joe. We've been waiting what feels like forever, but they've finally arrived.
I just feel like I've been that person sitting at the dance on the corner, just waiting for someone to ask me, and then finally, someone came up and it's dance time.
Finally time, right? The phones have been ringing off the hook about this one. All the emails coming through. When are they coming? When are they coming?
Yep.
It's time.
It's time. Let's do it.
So,
what are we talking about? The Kilo Completer. What the hell is that?
Well, a completer, as one may suspect, it's effectively like getting 10 coins in one. That's the way I like to view it. So the Queen's Beasts is a series that's been running for, I think they were issued 2 per year. I may stand corrected on that. I think so. Right. Well, that's what they're doing with the Heraldic Beasts, I think it's called, the new series. That'll be 1 every 2 years for the 10 in total. So
wow, there you go.
I may stand corrected, but this was an incredibly popular series out of the Royal Mint.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And this is a long time coming.
It is it's too long coming, Joe. Oh. It's finally time. I'm really glad, actually, that Michael's not in today.
Yeah, sucked in,
man.
So
you're missing out, Michael. But
yeah, sorry, bro. He would have been really keen to do this unboxing for sure.
I'm hopeless with a knife, so...
Okay, I reckon you cut the other way, but that's just me.
Well, I'm sure there's going to be plenty of people that have some constructive feedback for me. I'll try not to...
You go underhanded. You got to go over and just cut it like give a little saw action, like one of those ones.
Well, I should have got the unboxing knife. Maybe that would have worked better.
No, I think...
There's a reason we have unboxing knives now, Joe.
No, Michael, he'll be annoyed that he didn't get to open this. He would have been even more annoyed if he used his unboxing knife. Probably. Oh,
what is this? A box within a box, perhaps? Oh, cool. No, it's just a protective...
a bit of foamy thing.
Oh, here we go.
Is there an invoice in there you need to take out? No.
Whoa! Beautiful.
Oh man, look at the detail. Now we've had... Oh my lord!
Yeah.
We've had obviously the 2-ounce silver completers. We've had the 1-ounce gold completers. But look at this.
And see, this is what I was hanging out for the reason being, you get a proper look at all 10 of the animals on there.
That is awesome. That's just so you know, they're kind of taped on there. Oh no, sort of encased.
Yeah, it's in a protective... I'll take it out. How about that?
Oh, should we? If you think you can, let's do it.
I think I can.
All right, okay.
The people want it, Joe. I can hear them at their computer saying, go on, Matt, take it out.
You are the little numismatist that could. The little engine that could. All right. So it even looks nice and shiny within that extra bit of plastic there, but this is going to be grand.
Yeah, now you're going to get an unfiltered look at it.
Yeah, it wouldn't be a proper unboxing if the person didn't struggle at one point to...
That's right, absolutely, Joe. So the Queen's Beasts.
Queen's Beasts.
1953, yes. What happened in that year, Joe?
1953?
Yeah.
Is that the coronation?
It was indeed.
Oh, mate.
So, yes.
You know how I know this?
Yeah.
Because I watched The Crown.
Oh, yeah, that was a great series.
The TV show.
Yeah. So, beautiful designs by Jodie Clark, who did the effigy of Queen Elizabeth, also did these designs for each of the Queen's Beasts.
You hold that right there. This, my friend, is going to be the thumbnail.
You sure it's not going to be me excitedly...
Well, hang on, we'll do
mouth agape.
Hold it up to your cheek. There we go. And thumbnail, see? See?
Live thumbnail. This is where the magic really happens.
It basically saves me taking another photo. That is brilliant.
And the face value, £500, Joe. Have you ever seen a face value that high on a kilo of silver?
What the what? £500? That's very unusual. So what's that in ours? That's like that's
close
nearly
to
$1,000.
Yeah, nearly $1,000. So
wow,
if it gets down to the crunch and you find yourself in the UK, take this to the bank and swap it over.
Now my understanding. Oh no, it's because it's silver. Oh, about the whole. I don't want to get into CGG.
Yeah, we're not too much. Just enjoy enjoy the moment here, Joe. We've waited so long for it. It's finally here.
That's just beautiful. Now, of course, the completer coin. It's all of the designs in one. It is just...
It is indeed. And we should probably also note that we have a minuscule amount of these available.
Okay.
So it's been a long time coming, but that has unfortunately also meant that we only have a very, very small amount of these available. So
Yeah.
I don't know what the story is in terms of, you know, if they go up at the time of the video and once they're gone, or if there'll be a staggered release.
That's a great question. We'll ask Michael that. What we can say, if you're watching this video, that means as the release day and time, so basically the timestamp of the release of this video, they will be up on the website.
Yep.
What happens from there, whether it's a stagger release or whether it's just get them while you can and then they're gone, they're gone, we'll have a chat with Michael about that.
Yeah, for sure.
But you're definitely going to see the video link if you're watching this, you know, maybe 30 seconds after the video's released.
Oh yeah,
You can see
probably, if you've watched till this point and you haven't clicked the link, it could be too late.
We could talk about anything right now. And
yeah, exactly. No one's watching from this point onwards. But one more fun fact. Where do you think or if you know, Joe, the original Queen's Beasts, they're also over 300 kilos each sculpture. They no longer reside in the UK.
Really?
Just a bit of trivia.
Very cool.
They are now in Canada on display in a museum.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, well, a Commonwealth country to a Commonwealth country. All right, cool. They're keeping it in the family. That's good.
It.
Wow, very cool. What else they need to know? I guess that's pretty much it. Pop it again over the other side. Any particular extra security features? You're going to obviously see.
I think that good luck recreating the fields here with this kind of a design.
Yeah, true.
It is really, really impressive.
I love every single thing about this coin.
Yeah, I think they've done an incredible job with it. I was a little nervous, if I'm honest, as to how they'd go. You know, putting this onto the kilo, if you'd get the full. This is my first proper look at it, so yeah, this is yep, they've done it justice. You heard it here first.
All right.
They've done it justice, and I love it. Two thumbs up from Matt.
the Numismat seal of approval. Fantastic. Well, that's it, guys. Everyone can go to the website right now if you're watching the video. If they're still available, I certainly hope so. I hope you're one of the lucky ones. bullionnow.com.au. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks, Matt.
No worries. Thanks for having me.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.